Hello students, today we are going to discuss Nazim Ezekiel, who takes an important place in almost all courses of UG and PG level. Nazim Ezekiel is acclaimed as the father of post-independence Indian English verse. He was born on 16th December 1924 in Mumbai. His father, Moses Ezekiel, was a professor of botany at Wilson College, and his mother was principal of her own school. Ezekiel belonged to Mumbai's Marathi-speaking Jewish community known as the Bene Israel. In 1947, he completed his BA in literature from Wilson College, Mumbai. In November 1948, he sailed to England. He studied philosophy at Birkbeck College, London. After 3.5 years stay, Ezekiel worked his way home as a deck scrubber aboard a ship carrying arms to Indochina. He married Daisy Jacob in 1952, and the same year his first collection of poems titled A Time to Change was published by Fortune Press, London. When Ezekiel returned to India, he joined the Illustrated Weekly of India as an assistant editor in 1953 and stayed there for 2 years. उसी वर्ष यानी 1953 में उन्होंने अपना सेकेंड बुक का कलेक्शन जो कि 60 पोएम्स था वो भी पब्लिश किया. He also worked as a broadcaster on arts and literature for All India Radio. He worked as an advertising copywriter and general manager of Picture Frame Company from 1954 to 59. From 1961 to 1972, he headed the English department of Mithibai College, Mumbai. In 1976, he translated Jawaharlal Nehru's poetry from English to Marathi with the help of Vrinda Nabar. He was honored with the Padma Shri Award by the President of India in 1988 and Sahitya Akademi Award in 1983 for his poetry collection Latter Days Plus. After a prolonged battle with Alzheimer's disease, Nazim Ezekiel died in Mumbai on 9th January 2004. Some important works of Nazim Ezekiel are as follows. In 1952, he published his first collection of poems, Time to Change. In 1965, The Exact Name. 1976, Hymns in Darkness. The major themes of Ezekiel's work are alienation, love, loneliness, lust, creativity, and human lust for sex and bodily pleasure. That's why Linda has called him the poet of body. He wrote some important plays like Songs of Deprivation in 1969, Nalini, a comedy in 3 acts, marriage poem, 1 act tragicomedy. He also wrote literary essays like Ideas and Modern Poetry, which comes in 1965, Poetry and Philosophy, which came in 1966, Poetry as Knowledge, which came in 1972. His most important work, which he wrote in poems, is Enterprise, Night of the Scorpion, Soap, Iceland, Marriage, The Professor, Poet, Lover, Birdwatcher, Jewish Wedding in Bombay. He also wrote some essays on art criticism like Modern Art in India, which came in 1970, Paintings of the Year in 1973. He also wrote some essays on social criticism like Censorship and the Writer, which came in 1963, Our Academic Community, which came in 1968. So these are the works of Nazim Ezekiel. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe it.